Alright, so today I have Cirkul unboxing and a little Cirkul wild splash thing that was up at Walmart for like $15. So I'll start with this one, which I think this is a good idea for if you're trying to get your kids to not drink sodas as much, because they have the little fun little designs on them. And it's not as big as the other bottles. So it says you have the gator, or the alligator, the gecko, and the parrot fruit punch. So grape, fruit punch, and apple. And then it's not hard to get out, you just pull and it leaves the box. Real easy. Like I said, it comes with, this one came with the fruit punch. I mean, it's a little beat up, but I think that's just because it was Walmart. And then it comes with a little 16 ounce. I don't know, let's see what size it says. Yeah, 16 ounce bottle, which is kind of neat. If you just don't want a whole lot of water, this is better than the others, or more convenient than the other sizes, I guess. Then I got for the month thing this time. Oh, I apparently got another bottle. With its lid. So that's the difference between the sizes on the bottles. I think this is 22 or something like that, but yeah, you see the difference on the size on the bottles now. And then I got the, so I'll move these over here. So I got the Go Sip Orange. I got a Fit Sip Mixed Berry. A Go Sip Citrus Twist. Just something like that. What's this one? Blackberry tea. Which I don't know what the teas are like, but we'll see. Oh wait, I know what the sweet tea is like, because I just had that. Then I have a Fit Sip Island Punch. Or maybe another one, I don't know. Then I have a raspberry tea. Then I have a Life Sip fruit punch. And then a Go Sip cherry limeade. Then I got a Fit Sip white cherry. A Fit Sip tropical blast. A Life Sip strawberry kiwi. And a sweet tea, which this is one that I've had, which is really good. Well, I like it anyways. Then I have tea and lemonade. Decided to try some of the other teas in there, so figured why not. Then I have the Flight Fruit Punch, which is, I guess, is an electrolyte feel. Yeah, electrolyte feel one. And then I have the Flight Fast Break Strawberry Banana. And this is the last one, which is the No Hitter Flight white cherry. Which, if y'all are interested in subscribing to, or trying out Cirkul and whatnot, my link will be in the description below for the if y'all want to give it a try. And I will catch y'all next time with the next video I do.